Hey, Boris! He's too busy. No one's going to be able to see your hat. Silly Irish dog is preparing a lamb. Somehow. Hey, you're not even letting me... Oh my goodness. Ah, don't you steal that lamb. Don't you steal that lamb. I can't even get a good grip on it. Sir. Mighty destroyer of lambs. Actually, it would have been really funny if I put the bunny hat on him. Rabid bunny eating a lamb.
Yeah.
I don't think he'd do it, though, because he really hates that hat.